On this week's episode of the Boho Family Adventure. Ooh, someone's just trumped. Yeah, mouthful of that.
Good morning.
Morning.
I need to tell you a little story. Poor Matthew. We went through the whole day yesterday filming and he kept saying, the camera's broken, everything's blurry.
That's really blurred. Like, looks super blurry. Like it's not focusing on you. Move around for me, see if it... No, it's not focused at all. Oh, I must have cleaned the lens
A million times.
a million times.
So, I didn't look. I didn't. And we was doing a little bit this morning. And he's going, oh my gosh, it's blurry again. And I looked and I was like, babe, it's not blurry, I'm afraid. It's not blurry, it's really clear. I was like, have you got your glasses on? And then I looked and he was like, oh yeah. He's not happy.
So the story behind these glasses is we went to Torrevieja for a month in January to get out of the bad weather, and I was doing a lot of Kapow gaming work, building the website, putting a CRM together to keep a list of all my customers and stuff. And I was getting excruciating headaches. Now I was getting up at 5-6 o'clock in the morning, doing a good 3 hours before these pair stirred. And I ended up having to go to Specsavers in Torrevieja, and they said I needed reading glasses. So I've took them as what they've called them, reading glasses. So if I'm on a computer for a long time, or if I'm reading. But it looks like I also need them to film. Because now look how clear that, you can't look how clear that is, but look how clear that is.
You can see how clear that is.
I can see how clear.
I've got eyes like a hawk.
Incoming.
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 Meow.
Lion.
No, it's not. Like a lion. So yeah, it looks like I'm going to have to wear these more often. So I'm going to have to get them adjusted though, because they're not going to fit on my fat head. So I'm going to be wearing these more often. Today's plans, we've got an extra day. We've got to York quicker than we thought, so we are going to go on the park and ride and go for a trip into York, go and get some lunch before we try and find where we're parking tonight. And we're going to take you with us and show you the delights of York, which is only the second city we have ever gone to. Blackpool. We've been to Blackpool 3, Bath, Blackpool, and now York, where we've gone on the park and ride or the tram or the bus in, because we don't really like cities, do we? We prefer the middle of nowhere and some trees and stuff. So we're going to take you with us, aren't we?
We are.
So we're going to the park and ride. One of them, I think there's 5, but we'll go and find one. And then it's going to be Indy's first walk around a city as well, because normally, because it's been that long, she was in a pushchair. So I think we're going to try and get the backpack out just in case your little legs get tired, and we'll go and get some treats and eat some nice stuff. So we're going to take you along with us. Should we get ready?
Let's do it.
Got to get the little one dressed. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Kyla.
Hi, I'm Mindy.
And I'm Matt.
And this is our home, Bovana.
And this is our journey from going from a 9 to 5 to living outside. Our Boho Family Adventure. I don't know why I've still got my jumper on, but it's red hot. And yes, these are prescription sunglasses. So yeah, we're at York Park and Ride.
We are.
And we're going to go park
Ride.
and ride. Let's go. Not that kind of riding, no. So we are here in York and we're just going to have a walk around, and we're going to probably go here later on. Oh, the Army Museum is there as well.
Wow.
So we will, do you hear that? Totally distracted then.
Squirrel.
That's what we call squirrel, when, you know, we're doing something and Carla just decides to start doing something completely different. So yeah, I'll show you the building. There you go. And we'll be going up there later on. And we've just seen a Carousel, so we will get the girls on a Carousel and I'll try and film them, or I will try and go on a Carousel and it will look like this.
It smells so good round here.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I'll have a cowboy hat, but I need a horse.
We don't need any more bags, but we do like a good market. I need one of these. What are you looking at?
Earrings.
Should we go and get some food?
Let's do it.
The Old White Swan is a pub in the centre of York. The core of this building is timber framed and was constructed in the early 17th century. Underneath a glass panel in the floor is part of a Roman column, although this is not its original location. The building was in use as an inn by 1703, making it the third oldest pub in the city. Not only an amazing pint glass, but an amazing pint. Now we're going to grab some food. Check this for a menu. I don't know if you can you can see, but there is some insane things on here. So we'll wait till it comes and show you what we get. How are you? You found anything?
Yeah, everything.
So the food's just got here. I've had the beef brisket, which looks amazing. Look at the size of Carla's pie. Massive. And sausages. How was your food?
Yeah, do you want to check out my belly?
I just got boobs. So yeah, that was amazing. So many places to go. No, it was this way. Yeah, there's the sweet shop. Ooh, someone's just trumped. Yeah, mouthful of that. Right, let's just stand there a second.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Did you enjoy your food? That stinks, doesn't it? Somebody trumped it and it ain't me. Yeah, so that was really good. Nicholson's, lovely pub. Indeed, did you enjoy your food? That stinks. Somebody stinks. Right, we're off to get some sweets.
I think...
Great name.
Get a 12 chocolate.
So we are off to get some sweets for Indy now. Probably going to end up getting some for ourselves as well, aren't we?
Yeah.
Let's be honest.
Traditional sweet shop.
You know it's a proper sweet shop when it comes in glass jars. So look what we got in here. Lollipops. So, Indy's in a little backpack and I'm mega jealous. I want to be in a backpack. So we're going to go over to York Minster now. We're going to have a look at that, then hopefully pop down to the walls of York, and then we're going to go and look for, what was it called? That thing we stopped at first?
I can't even remember.
The big round thing, where the bus is, and then we haven't told Indy yet, but we're going to go on the Carousel. York Minster, formerly the Cathedral of Metropolitical Church of St Peter in York, is an Anglican cathedral in the city of York. The Minster is the seat of the Archbishop of York, the second highest office of the Church of England. The first record of a church on the site dates back to 1627. The title Minster also dates to the Anglo-Saxon period, originally denoting a missionary teaching church. The Minster undercroft contains reused fabric of circa 1160, but the bulk of the building was constructed between 1220 and 1472. We ended up going to Primani and got Indy a couple of jumpers, and we're heading back now, so we're going to have a look at, what was this called again? Clifford's Tower. Would you like to go on the carousel?
Yeah! I want to go on the horsey ride.
You want to go on the horsey? So I'm on bag duty. Why? Little Miss excited here. Mummy, are you excited? Mummy's excited. Mummy's excited more than Indy. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Indy, look at this one. This one's called Storm.
This one. Oh, it's called Storm. Which one do you like? You choose.
I like this.
You like this one.
This carousel was built by walkers of Tewkesbury in 1923. The wooden horses were carved by Andersons of Bristol, famous for their ships figureheads. Originally driven by steam but now 110 volts, the carousel had many different owners before joining the Warrington collection in 2004, where it underwent a full restoration before making a comeback in Dublin in 2009. Oh. Is it like grass?
Hello everybody, I'm a bingo. This is Amy, and this is a stick. You want to see it? Yeah! This is stick. Everybody, we go to some truth, and then we will be on, and where we go, bye!
So that was our trip to York. We are going to go and try and find our little park up, which we've got ready near the racecourse, where we are working Saturday afternoon and Sunday all day. So we'll take you there in a minute. But we just want to say, this is such a waste. We went to Bath, and they allowed overnighting on Park and Ride. They had like 3,000 spaces and they charged £10 overnight. It was by a massive playing field and it was amazing, and then you got the bus for a couple of quid. This place in York has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 allocated huge, oh, you fell. Yeah, huge parking bays. Like, we're 7 meters long and you could easily get a 9 meter in there. But you can only park in the day, you can't park overnight. If they had any sense, they could charge £10 a night for each of these bays, and they could be making an extra £100 a day every single day, because it's always full. Like, this was full when we got here, just as we got here, sorry, and now there's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 campers, and I bet you they're all going to try and park where we're going to, which is pretty much the only place in York. So yeah, I know they're not watching, but honestly, Bath, well done, big fan of your park up. But yeah, they're missing a trick here. They've even got an empty field they could do. There's loads of room. But hey, well, we're just going to have a sandwich because of that massive lunch earlier on, and then we are going to go find a park up, do some work and whatnot. So yeah, we'll show you park up when we get there. So we've made it to our park up, which is basically the side of a road right next to where we are working at York Race Course over the next couple of days. Loads of people are staying here. There's quite a few campers and even a few motorhomes, but it's a bit close. We've never really done one on the side of a road like this before, so I'll show you what it is. But have we had a good one in York today? Have you had a good time?
Yeah!
Wow.
Sugar. Kyla?
Yes, it was very good, thank you.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Ding the bell. Thank you very much for watching. And please do let us know if you have stayed around York and where you stayed, and also what are your thoughts on parking on kind of like sides of roads, like wild stealth camping or whatever they call, you know, stealth camping.
Urban camping.
Yeah. So it'd be great to hear that. The van is proper rocking. I can't work out if it's these pair or the cars flying past. Hopefully we'll get a good night. Got lots of work to do in a minute. Get some editing started, hopefully. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll be back again soon with more Boho family adventures. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Distracted. See you later.
Squirrel.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for joining us on our adventure this week. Please subscribe for more of our videos and make sure that you come and say hi in the comments.
See you next week. Bye.